Managing debts gets overwhelming when payments, balances, due dates, and progress live in different places. This debt tracker brings everything into one clean Notion dashboard, so you can see what you owe, what you've paid, what's coming up, and how close you are to paying each debt off. The dashboard is designed to give you both the big picture and the daily action view. At the top, you can manage all debts in one place. Below that, you can focus on this month's payments, active debts, paid-off debts, visual progress, full payment history, and anything you've archived. This is the main control center for your debts. Each debt has the key details you need: the original amount owed, how much has already been paid, the remaining balance, the payment status, the debt type, and whether it's paid off or archived. Instead of only seeing a list of numbers, you can also switch views. The status board helps you understand what's not started, in progress, or completed. The timeline gives you a visual way to see when each debt started and when you're aiming to pay it off. When adding a debt, you only need to enter the practical details: the debt name, type, amount owed, interest rate, minimum payment, payment frequency, start date, and target payoff date. From there, the system does the heavy lifting. It calculates what's paid, what's remaining, progress, interest-related numbers, and the monthly amount needed to stay aligned with your target payoff date. The payment section is where the system becomes useful month to month. You can see unpaid payments first, so you know exactly what still needs attention. Each payment connects back to a debt, includes a payment date, amount, and paid checkbox. Once a payment is marked as paid, your debt progress updates through the connected debt relationship. Instead of wondering which debt a payment belongs to, everything is connected. The active debts section keeps your focus on what still needs work. You're not distracted by paid-off or archived items. Once a debt is complete, it moves into the paid-off section. This gives you a simple record of progress and helps make debt payoff feel visible, not hidden. The charts are here for quick clarity. You can instantly see which debts still carry the largest remaining balance and how much you've already paid toward each one. This is helpful because debt payoff is not just about tracking numbers. It's about seeing momentum. The payment history section gives you a clean record of what has already been paid. You can review past payments in a table or calendar view, which makes it easier to audit your progress over time. And if you don't want older or inactive debts cluttering your main dashboard, you can archive them. They're still stored in the system, but they stay out of your active view. DebtTracker is built to give you one place to manage debts, payments, progress, and payoff goals inside Notion. If you want a clearer way to understand what you owe and stay consistent with your payments, this system gives you the structure to do it. Get the DebtTracker from Notion Experience and start turning scattered debt details into a clear payoff plan.